Tired of your listings getting lost in the digital noise? Let's amplify your real estate reach by strategically combining Craigslist and Zillow. First, head over to Craigslist, click Post in the top left corner, choose the real estate for sale or real estate for rent option, depending on your listing. Now, fill out the Craigslist posting form. Make sure you craft a compelling headline that grabs attention. In the description, highlight key features, price, and contact information. Include high-quality photos. This is crucial. See the difference? A blurry, dark photo versus a bright, professionally staged shot. Which one would you click? Next, let's leverage Zillow. If you're a real estate professional, claim your Zillow profile. This establishes credibility. Create your Zillow listing, entering all the property details. Zillow offers premium upgrades like enhanced placement and virtual tour. Consider these to boost visibility. Now, this is key. Check Zillow's syndication options. Many Zillow listings automatically get posted to Craigslist. Ensure Craigslist is selected to maximize your exposure with minimal effort. If not, do a manual post using the same assets from Zillow. By combining Craigslist's broad local reach with Zillow's established platform and syndication capabilities, you'll significantly increase your property's visibility, attract more potential buyers or renters, and ultimately, close more deals.